High-speed friction drives the separation process. Powerful suction systems instantly collect the waste, paving the way for pure recycled PT. These systems process tons of plastic every hour. High-speed cameras identify color and material. Then, precision air jets separate them in flight. This is the future of recycling. In this stage, PT bottles undergo a rigorous hot wash. Environmentally safe solutions dissolve all remaining residues, leaving the plastic pristine and ready for processing. Sophisticated rotary decappers remove every cap. Precision systems isolate the tamper-evident rings. High-speed manipulation ensures pure, recyclable PT. Approved PET flakes are continuously fed. They enter massive twin-screw extruders. Controlled heat melts them into a clear stream. Melted once again, the pellets are forced through scopic spinnerets. Thousands of continuous polyester filaments are created. This is the rebirth of recycled plastic. These rollers create tiny waves in the fibers. This process gives them incredible softness and flexibility. Polyester fibers are pulled under controlled tension. This process increases strength and durability, resulting in a highly flexible material. Continuous polyester filaments are fed. High-speed rotary cutters slice them into uniform staple fibers. They form soft white bundles on the conveyor. Automated systems manage the flow. Recycled yarn winds onto precision cones. This fabric is born from recycled polyester. Every roll undergoes strict digital scanning, guaranteeing both quality and sustainability. Automated finishing machines apply softening treatments, while precision calendar rollers enhance texture.
Consistency meets mechanical precision. Each garment is perfectly prepared.
Welcome to the era of the intelligent supply chain. Here, autonomous vehicles operate with absolute precision. This is the future of global logistics, active today.